Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you an app for online classes help. That is Microsoft OneNote. You can either download the app to your desktop or laptop, or you can just browse it. Here, you can create your notebook and put title on it. Just click Add Notebook. You can either put it in your OneDrive or in your PC so that you can open it offline. But for me, it is safer to save it in OneDrive because it is autosave. So yeah, you can add sections in each notebook and name it after your subject. And under each section, you can add pages. Just treat it like a real book. Moreover, you can even add your lecture slides in it. How cool is that? To add it, just go to Insert and click the File Printout and pick the file that you want. Here, you can highlight it or draw anything and maybe add some notes during classes. And then suddenly, the lecturer decided to give the class a pop quiz and asked you to present the answers. Don't be panic. Everything is much easier with OneNote. Just add the question file, same step as previous, and then write your answers. Whether you want to draw it on the paper or beside it, it is all up to you. If it looks a little big for you, don't worry. You can just select them and shrink, or even move them. You can set any color of the pen on the page and any grids that you want. You can even share it with your friends just by clicking share and enter their email or just share the link. You can set whether they can just view or they can edit it too. This feature is very helpful to do group works. If your lecturer asks you to submit it in PDF form, what you have to do is click export and pick PDF. You will have the page in PDF form and just submit it right away. But that's not it. This app can help you organize a lot of things. You can build your class timetable by click Insert Table and type in all your subjects. Or you can just insert a template from online and add text on it. It is much easier and nicer. A to-do list to keep you in mind so you won't miss any work. And a tip to insert pictures from web, click screen clipping and go to the page of the picture and select, and there you go. With this, you can save time, save papers, and save money to buy the papers. I hope the video is helpful. Bye!